Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace Chrysler 300 tail lights. First, gather your essential tools, including a flathead screwdriver and your new tail light assembly. Always ensure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Next, open your trunk to gain access to the tail light assembly from the interior of the vehicle. This simple preparation makes the entire process much smoother. Now, carefully remove the trunk liner or carpet to fully expose the tail light's mounting bolts. You will typically find 2 or 3 retaining nuts or bolts that secure the tail light assembly. Using a suitable socket wrench, loosen and then completely remove these fasteners. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any surrounding components or the liner itself. This reveals the core attachment points. With the fasteners removed, gently pull the tail light assembly away from the vehicle's body. Be careful not to force it, as it might still be connected by wiring. Locate the electrical connector. Press the small release tab and carefully pull the connector apart to disconnect the wiring harness. If any bulbs from the old assembly are still functional, you can remove them for reuse in the new unit or as spares. To install your new tail light, first connect the electrical harness securely to the new assembly. Align the new tail light with the mounting holes on the vehicle and gently push it into place. Reinstall the 2 or 3 retaining nuts or bolts, tightening them firmly but without over-tightening. Finally, test the new tail light by turning on your vehicle's lights and pressing the brake pedal to ensure everything functions correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.